Not.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Shamla from Government College University Lahore, and today I'm going to give you a review about the book written by Dr. Hassan Nisar, one of the most influential voice of Pakistan media, and its name is Kale Gol, as you can translate it into English as Black Quotations. This book is named as Black Quotation because it reveals the dark secrets of our society.
Turn the book to the audience.
I had informed you.
All right. Got it.
Okay. So this book is named as so because it reveals the dark secrets of our society. In this book, he is known, as you all of you are aware of him, that Dr. Hassan Nisar is known for his bold style and speech, and that's what he wrote there too. And he openly criticized the aristocracy. He openly criticized our traditional political practices. And the main narrative or the main message that he wants to convey is that never blame politicians or stakeholders for the downfall for your society. We people are responsible for it because they are representing us and they are the mirror images of us. So we have to build ourselves to get betterment of our society. That's it.
Alright, it's fantastic. You got really powerful expression. So try to refine it further. Start में मुझे लगा था कि cameraman Asad Yaqub के साथ Geo News, yes, something like that. But then he spoke so powerful. So keep it up like this, okay?